Hello there, Mandy. Okay, let's have a look. Some people think that employees should stay in the same job, others think they should switch jobs. Okay, number of people, and number of people. Okay, a number of people believe that workers should continue working at the same job until retirement. On the other hand, according to some people, everyone should change their jobs for a minimum of one time in their career. Okay, so just um, to, to improve your writing, I would say avoid absolutes and everyone, always, never, nobody are absolutes. And we avoid these by hedging. So we did it well here in the first one. Okay. A number of people. Yeah, believe that workers. Okay, and here we didn't say all workers, but here we practically said the same. We said all workers, everybody. So we should always just hedge it. So in this case, we would say, according to some people, well, according to people, some workers should change, or some people believe workers should change. Something similar to what we had before. However, it's not a bad start. Just be aware of the articles, the use of articles. To begin with, continuing a single job throughout the time. Okay, throughout. Okay, okay. So what other words could we use here for career? Okay, or staying with the same company. But let's carry on. To begin with, continuing a single job throughout the time. No, throughout a period of time brings a number, same issue as before, of benefits such as salary increment after every few years, such as a salary increment after a few years, as well as a secure job position as a permanent senior employee. So all of that needs to be hedged because we use the present simple, which is again an absolute. So we should say can bring a number of benefits, such as a possible salary increase is better than salary increment, possible salary increase after every few years, as well as a secure job position, or as well as in most cases a secure job position, comma, or even, and then just finish that because that's enough information for that sentence. Full stop. Some workers may even attain a permanent senior position just to, you know, vary the vocabulary because employee we're going to most likely use again. By the way, I see a 5 body paragraph essay. I would go for 4 personally. To explain it further, senior workers, no capital S, are often the least, because we've got the superlative, in danger of being laid off from work when business is down due to their enhanced or due to their improved skills, knowledge, and experience. We put a little list in there, but we explain why, because, okay, why? Got to develop it. Therefore, sticking with one company often gives job security. Another reason is that a company or companies provide growth opportunity. No, again, hedging. Often provide growth opportunities within the hierarchy to workers who give their dedication for a long time. Okay, that's a good sentence there. Who give their dedication to the company or who dedicate their career to the company. Okay, some more topic specific vocabulary there. On the other hand, by changing a job, comma, an employee, I thought we would use the word again, so we changed it here so we can use it here and avoid repetition. An employee can learn how to survive in different working environments, comma, which can, again, hedging, ultimately build up the confidence of the individual. Okay, because we're talking about this individual here. Okay, the employee or an employee. In addition, by switching to a new company, comma, this said person can receive a huge amount of salary. No, a huge salary increase due to the fact of having high market value, full stop. High market value, comma, due to their experience. Okay? Brand name has nothing to do with it. However, the growth within the company is limited. Okay, so this is a different point. Okay, yeah. So we don't use however. We just say furthermore, growth within a company, because we're not talking about a specific one, can be limited, hedging again, because I'm not giving. Okay, because of the short period of time working there. So what we did here is we just used a negative sentence, short period of time, rather than the negative construction, and we said the same with less words, and it's more concise, more succinct. Okay, so we're back to this argument. I completely agree with the primary argument of people staying with one company for the rest of their life because of all the benefits and growth opportunities that the company can provide to senior employees. Full stop. That's it. Nevertheless, switching company brings new experience but decreases the chances of getting future success by staying with a single brand or staying with a single organization. Okay, brand is different. We can have 20 different brands in one company or one organization. Anyway, you should have split these arguments. This argument, starting at nevertheless, should go here. And the beginning of this argument, the beginning of this paragraph should be integrated into this one. Then we've got the 4-paragraph model, and we've got all your points in favor in one paragraph and all your points against in the next paragraph. And then you put your conclusion, your opinion in your summary. Okay? To summarize, every individual has their own opinion about either advancing in the same company or looking out for better packages in other multinational companies. Be careful, we're changing here. We had never mentioned multinational before, and we've never, so be careful, that's a different type of company. And you can use that, but just make it clear that we're talking about multinational companies and using multinational companies as examples, then it's more coherent. Both the options have their own perks. Great phrase there. However, the primary one brings out more advantages as compared to the secondary one. So we almost had a very powerful sentence there because we have a comparison. We almost had a perfect use of as, which isn't easy. But the problem with this sentence is that it's empty. That I can put this into a sentence about crime, into an essay about crime, into an essay about nuclear power, and it's relevant. So we just need to make it relevant to the essay. So, however, staying with one job and being loyal undoubtedly has more advantages as compared to job hopping. Just some more topic specific vocabulary there. So good work there, Mandeep. Okay, homestay. Dear Sir, Madam, be careful there. Okay. Dear Sir, Madam is very formal. This is the family you're going to live with. Okay, so I would have gone with something like, Dear Jackson family. Yeah. It's just more neutral. This is too formal. I'm writing this letter in regards to my visit to the UK for the English and Homestay course. Okay, we have a clue that it's the definite article here because we've got it there. I am a student in Kwantlen Polytechnic University in British Columbia. comma, Canada. That's fine. I need to attend this course. Which course? This course or this course? Be careful. I need to attend the homestay course in order to in order to attain an advanced level in English. This course is necessary to complete my first year in university. Beautiful. I would be grateful if you could give me a few details about the basic living in the UK, as well as how people manage their living expenses. Okay, excellent. Also, I was wondering about the transportation availability throughout the week. Excellent. So this is better. The tone here and here is better. This is okay. Maybe a little bit formal, but you're better being safe and playing it more on the formal side than going a little bit too informal. So that's fine, actually. I have already purchased a plane ticket. Good. My arrival date is the 9th of the next month, which is on the weekend. Excellent. Time of landing is 7 in the morning. Good. Write the word 7. Okay? I will give you a call as soon as I reach the arrival gate. I hope both of us get there on time. Excellent. I hope to hear from you soon. Yours faithfully, Mandy. Okay, great work there, Mandy. Very impressed. Now, to get the most from this essay correction, make a list of all the corrections I did. Implement those corrections on your on this document on your current work, okay? And then the next time you do a task 2 or a task 1 writing essay or writing practice, the next time you write a letter or an essay, check them for the mistakes that you've made previously. So great work there, Mandy. Keep moving forward. You're doing super.